And we're back to learning Inkscape in a year, day 31. Another good way to practice is to create flags. I've talked about that in earlier videos. So we've kind of like went over the topic of circles. Therefore, just type in flags with a circle, circle flags, something like that. And you're going to find lots of image examples in Google. Doesn't have to be a nation flag. Can, for example, be like sailing flags, warning flags, stuff like that. There are lots of examples. And then we create some to practice. In this case, we're going to create the Japan flag, which is fairly easy to do. We'll just use the rectangle tool here. And for the ellipses, when you hold Shift, you're going to generate these not from the point where you've clicked, but the point where you've clicked and then dragged will be the center point of your circle. That's important here to position our circle in center of the rectangle. So go to the center of the rectangle, hold Shift and also hold Control, go to 45-degree angle. That gives you a perfect circle and that's exactly in center of the rectangle. Under Object, Fill and Stroke, we use the Fill color wheel and then we make it a bit darker. So go to the black end of the triangle with this little circle here in the color wheel. And then we've got one version of the Japan flag created in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.